6 ways to troubleshoot a door closer make it sound easy, and it really is. When you're stood in front of the door and it doesn't appear to work the way you would like it to, follow these simple, easy steps. Firstly, the door should close easily with just the push of one finger. That should ensure the latch fully engages into the key. The next thing to check is the door closer fitted to the fitting instructions or the template provided. Now it's important to ensure that the door closer arm is fitted correctly. On the pull side of the door, the arm will be at 90 degrees to the door frame. On the push side of the door, the arm will be parallel to the door frame. This is very important before you trust any valves. If you're still not sure, you can always send us a picture. Our technical support team will look at these and come up with a suggestion for you. When you're happy the door closer is fitted and working correctly, you can then got slight adjustments to make. Firstly, open the windows and any doors in the surrounding area. This will release an airlock if there may be. Then adjust the valves 1 through to 4, the closing valve, the latching valve, the back check valve and the delayed action valve in that order. But remember, the back check and delayed action valve cannot be used at the same time. Now close the windows and doors you may have opened previously. Adjust the power of the closer to bring the latch into its fully closed position. Adjusting the power of the closer will not alter the speed of the door closers. It will only overcome resistance that may have been there. Remember, we're always at the end of the phone. You can give us a call.